winds his lines up slowly towards the boiling sun. And when I touched her skin, my